Hi, I'm Russell from RH Wood Floors. Just here today to give you a quick overview of parquet flooring. Now, parquet flooring merely means that the boards are laid up in a different way to normal. Normal wood flooring is laid one board after another. So parquet really refers to the boards are laid up in different patterns, different directions. They can be laid up in panels like basket weave, like for side panels and so on, or they can be laid up one block at a time in a floor. So the most popular parquet in Ireland is a herringbone parquet. So the blocks are laid up in a V-shaped format, one block after another. And as the name suggests, it's a herringbone. It's like the spine of a fish, a herringbone. It's laid up the very same, in a V-shaped pattern, one block after the other. Every block is tapped into place. And when you're doing a room, what you do is you do the spine first. So you do the central row in a room, and then you fill out the field and do your whole floor. This is a solid parquet, so there will always be a small element of gapping. When the whole floor is finished, we simply swamp fill the whole floor with a specialist resin filler, and then this allows us, because it's unfinished, to stain it, sand it, varnish it, do whatever we want with it. It's a great way to lay a parquet floor because you have huge choice once the floor is down. So if you're not sure of the finish you want, the colour you want and so on, because it can be very hard to choose in a showroom. What looks good in a showroom may not look good in your home, whereas with an unfinished product, we can put it down and then do a metre sample of a colour, a metre sample of a finish. So you get a real understanding what it looks like in your home, as opposed to a retail shop where you have a million lights shining on it. You could have big open windows. It may look great there, but may look really awful in your home. So unfinished parquet, 80% of the parquet we lay is unfinished, so you can have that choice. Pre-finished parquet generally comes as an engineered product, so it's very stable. You don't have the little gapping that we have, but it's pre-finished, so the colour you see is the colour you get, which is great. If you love the colour, you're away with it. If you're not sure, go with your unfinished. So that is an overview of parquet. That is herringbone, which is by far the most popular in Ireland, and the difference between using a solid product and an engineered product in terms of herringbone. I'm Russell O'Halloran, RH Wood Floors. Thank you for watching today.